Guys,
We made it.
we made it. But where do we make it to? Cairns!
Wow!
Well, specifically Palm Cove. We're going to explore by not really exploring much. We're just going to be relaxing and we'll video what we video, and I'm sure it'll be enjoyable for us long into our dementia years when we rewatch these videos. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, it's like a modern day notebook.
Yeah. I'm
romantic AF. So, that's it for now, and let's just enjoy. Okay. Well, that's it from the relaxing week here up in Palm Cove. We've enjoyed just eating, having a walk around. What are you watching? Get it. We have enjoyed our time here relaxing in Palm Cove. It has been very well deserved and needed after such an intense... You've seen the last video. So, what we're going to do now is have a sleep now. First thing in the morning, we're going to head on down to Cairns, drop our bags up at the new hotel, and then we're going to go up to the Daintree rainforest here in tropical North Queensland. Good morning! We're in our new hotel right now, which is pretty fancy. But we don't have much time here to explore, so we're going to show you a little room tour later. Yeah, let's just do it now. This is the room. And tour over. TV, wife, bathroom, which you can fancy lights. Pretty stunning, but a bit bright out there at the moment for my liking. The key is a little piece of wood.
Fancy.
Fancy. We're now going to we'll get a bus out to the Skyrail and enjoy the rainforest. So let's go head on it. And I've forgotten how to talk in my videos, but anyway, happy?
Bye.
Bye. Alright, this is the first bit. Hey look, the window's open.
What? Don't! It's not meant to be like that!
Yes!
Don't go near the doors.
I'm not going to.
I won't.
How was the gondola, Boo?
Oh, that is fresh, isn't it?
She never listens to me.
Sorry.
How was the gondola, Boo?
It's good. Not as bad as I thought, which is always good.
Great, well, there are 2 more of them to go. So it is beautiful rainforest here, but then the sound of the Skyrail kind of ruins the ambience a bit. So let's get back on the Skyrail and enjoy the ambience. Ambiance. Rainforest. Welcome to Kuranda. I keep saying Kuranda. Like
Kuranda.
Kuranda.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Are we going? Oh. I don't like saying it this way.
I think we've established that Emma does not like gondolas. But this is a stunning view. Just a little bit of a... No, I'm good. Nothing's wrong with me. So Barren Falls is usually really intense, but there hasn't been enough rainfall up this part of the state. So unfortunately, what would be a great waterfall elsewhere is just a bit of a trickle up here. So we are walking on the only walk we can do because everything else is trees have fallen over the tracks. So I think we overestimated how much time we're going to need here. It's about 2.5 hours till the train goes.
Oh, can we not go on an early one?
There's only one train a day.
Oh no!
Oh no! Here comes the rain. Well, it is a rainforest, but where'd we go? Raindrops are falling on my head. Not a sponsor, but waterproof backpack from GoPro, anyone? Gonna get on that train soaking wet, aren't we? Obviously stopped recording because it started raining, but we did it. She's so not going to go do Everest Base Camp with me at all. That's alright, my children will. Probably very windy now, so we'll continue this later.